Nail base. Nail base is used when you don't or can't adhere directly to the substrate. Mule-Hide nail base must be mechanically fastened in place and will not be watertight when installed. Nail base is a fiberglass reinforced modified bitumen base sheet with a sanded finish on the back. The top surface is a smooth polyolefin film with printed lap lines. The dimensions shown on the lines is the dimension of the line away from the edge of the sheet. Nail base is required over any non-approved substrates before installing SA base or SA cap sheets, or as a separation layer instead of adhering directly to a wood deck. Mule-Hide recommends using nail base instead of direct-to-deck adhesion on wood decks. Roll out the SA base sheet to allow the membrane to relax in the sun for a minimum of 15 minutes. Set the nail base to the edges of the roof or at the bottom of any wall or curb. Do not turn the nail base down the outside face or up any wall. Roll out the first course of nail base by aligning the edge of the roll along the reference line or roof edge. Overlap the next roll either 3 inches or 4 inches depending on the fastening pattern being used. Continue this pattern until the area has been covered. All seams should be shingled to shed water. All end laps should be a minimum of 6 inches wide and staggered a minimum of 36 inches. The fastener used is dependent on the type of roof deck. Nailable decks require a fastener with a minimum 1-inch diameter disc or cap. Non-nailable decks, such as concrete and steel, must use Mule-Hide HDP or EHD fasteners and 3-inch stress plates. There are 2 basic fastening patterns for nail base, FMI 60 and FMI 90. These patterns are based on FMI 60 and FMI 90 uplift requirements respectively. FMI 60 fastening requirements are 1 row of fasteners spaced 12 inches on center over a 3-inch overlap, and a second row of fasteners spaced 18 inches on center down the middle of the sheet. FMI 90 fastening requirements are 1 row of fasteners spaced 12 inches on center over a 4-inch overlap, and 2 rows of staggered fasteners spaced 18 inches on center down the lines marked 12 inches. Things to remember: nail base must be covered with either SA base or SA cap sheet by the end of each day. Nail base is always mechanically attached. Nail base will not provide a watertight layer once installed. FMI 60 side laps are 3 inches wide. FMI 90 side laps are 4 inches wide. All end laps are a minimum 6 inches wide. End laps should be staggered a minimum of 36 inches. Do not turn nail base up a wall or down any edge.